Guys, what is up? So today, it's my birthday. And you know what I do on birthday? I get a bomb, I put confetti in it, and then I blow it up. Okay guys, so I did this. You just get a bunch of confetti. Yeah, you put it in here. That's all you really want to do. And then you put the other part on. And then when you chuck it down, it just blows up and confetti flies everywhere. It's really cool. Okay, let's get started with the first bomb. I'm going to do this right here. I don't know why, but spike it, you know? Like in the end zone. That was awesome, dudes. Oh my god. No! Oh my god, it's trying to use it. Guys, I'm going to throw it super high. Well, at least not super duper high. You know what I mean. Oh, that was hilarious. Okay, guys, so I'm shooting it through this. I'm so scared, but YOLO. Oh my god. Why won't it? Wait. Oh my god, that was so cool. Yo! And now it's time for our bloopers. Okay. Delete it. Okay, that's going to be it for this video. It's short. It's my birthday though. I have to celebrate. I celebrated on YouTube. Now I have to celebrate with my family. Anyway, goodbye guys.